We are in the Melbourne CBD, which is their central business district. It's kind of like a downtown area, and we're exploring the town today. We're on our way to our first stop, which is the Queen Victoria Market, so see you there. I'm walking my finger in there?
Yeah, you.
No, you do it.
I'm waiting.
We are definitely going to have to come back here and try out a bunch of the foods. We'll probably do a video on it.
Look at that pasta. I mean, it looks pretty good.
The like fresh raviolis.
Yeah, it does. It looks awesome.
Arancini.
Dad, it's a shame you can't be here for this.
You'd love it.
There's lots of beautiful meat. It looks really delicious.
Meat market's kind of gross me out.
It's a little gross, but
It's the smell, really. It's better than the fish section, though.
so you're saying like all these wraps hanging up by the top are where they're hanging the meat they butcher?
Yep.
Don't think I could be a merchant of death like this.
Merchant of death.
I quite literally, these guys are flesh salesmen. Oh my god. The smell here is just like excruciating.
I think we should go check out some of the
Outdoor shops?
Yeah, now we're gonna go check out the outdoor markets section of the market.
I like
You
it.
should get it.
It looks like me. It does.
It looks like freegan in Bali.
Believe it or not, it doesn't smell like patchouli right here. Look at all these tourist tchotchkes. I love that one. Kangaroo and koala playing kumbaya.
Just got our barrettes. Yummy. Look at that. Yum. Now we're walking to the State Library. It's apparently the 4th busiest library in the world, and it's supposed to be really cool.
I guess Melburnians are pretty larp.
Yeah, I guess so. Their license plate literally say the education state. Let's go check it out. Let's go. I think where we want to go is called the Dome. It's huge. It's cool that it's just like a public library that you can go in.
There wasn't really a lot in that library.
No, there wasn't. It was like big and empty. It was still cool. It was like a giant museum as well as a library, but not very many exhibits. It was worth a quick stop. The mall is pretty cool since it's raining today. It has like all these giant hallways that are connected over the street. So you can just like walk through the mall for like 4 or 5 blocks or something.
Yeah, I feel like a kid in Chuck E. Cheese. They don't have H&M back in America, so Brandi's making this film.
This is like the fanciest H&M. It's crazy.
It's like as fancy as the library we're in.
It's fancier.
So much luxury.
New jacket. Hopefully that helps. It's freezing out. And now we're gonna go to Chinatown.
Yeah, we are.
Let's go, let's go. I see it from here. Chinatown is like one street here.
Yeah, even though it feels like it's almost all of downtown Melbourne that you're in China.
Yeah, we're going to a restaurant called Hutong. It's known for its dumplings, and it's supposed to be one of the best restaurants here. You pretty much have to make a reservation in advance. If you did, you can just do it online.
Okay, your table is ready.
So it's real Sichuan hot and sour soup. It's a lot spicier. It tastes real. They use like real broth. It's good.
My turn. It's good. It's a little like more sour. I wish it was a little more like umami.
So these are shallow now, like a little like pork soup, like filled with just like liquid pork fat. Now look at that. They're like little pork fat pillows of heaven.
That waiter was staring at me eating. This is the dry chili chicken dish. Looks like fried chicken on a bed of Sichuan and red peppers, a little bit of cilantro. You're gonna like that.
Yeah?
Yeah. Holy spicy at the end though. That was pretty tasty.
Yeah, it was.
The portions are a little on the smaller side.
But it's definitely quality over quantity there.
Exactly, and the service is really good. They're all really nice. Now we're on our way to go check out some of the laneways. They also call them arcades, and they're just like little narrow streets with shops and cafes and street art.
Let's go.
It's like something big to do here.
Here we are in Hosier Lane.
I think it's pronounced Hosier. But this is a really popular spot to come and take like tourist photos, like tourists all over the place, snapping pics, just like us.
Smell that dumpster.
It's a little stinky. We just saw some couple taking wedding photos.
Next to a dumpster.
That's just like a cool little spot to go take some pics if you're out here.
Yeah, nothing
and
more
it's
romantic.
Yeah, right. And it's right by Flinders Station, which is like a really big transit hub here. It's also just like a big historic station. So yeah, we're gonna go check that out. It is a train station.
That's right.
It is cool. I like the clocks they have up on the wall, the old ones. Yeah, those are kind of cool.
Mildly interesting.
This is nice. On our way to the alleyways, according to Alan, I remembered that we wanted to stop by the Yarra River, so here we are. It's just like a nice, pretty little spot. There's a nice walkway out,
You gotta talk.
like that direction.
Arr.
Yarra. And we're right by the Prince's Bridge. I don't really know anything about it, but it's another like big Melbourne site. I know you can go up in one of these buildings. I think like one of these ones. I'm not exactly sure which one, but you can go up into it, and it has a glass bottom platform with a view of the city.
Sure.
Yeah, this is Fed Square. It's right next to Flinders Station. We just did like a circle instead of going to the alleyways. Anyways, this is where they have like a bunch of events and stuff. Stuff. There's a protest going on right now, like a Myanmar related protest that we just walked by. But other than that, it's pretty empty today. Now let's go to the alleyways, and I think that's almost it for Melbourne.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, at least the city center. There's other stuff to do a little outside of the city center, but
We're really just, from here on out, gonna go protest the dictatorship in Myanmar.
Let us know if you guys like the more true vlog style or if you like more of the presenting style when we're doing the city tours. I know those are like your guys' favorite. I think that's pretty much it for Melbourne. That's the city center. Thanks.
Okay,
Bye.
see you later.